Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Chasing. It's come to you live from Vietnam, guys. Howdy, howdy, good morning. Good morning from Vietnam, guys. We're going to be talking about this. Is this bad or is it not bad? So we're going to be talking about that. And this is related to X, Twitter, Elon Musk, Dogecoin, Bitcoin. Is it bad, guys? So we're going to be talking about that and much, much more. Let's dive into the freaking content without any further delay, guys. Remember, not a financial advisor. Go down there, smash the likes, show some freaking love out there, and don't forget to give a super thanks. It looks like this. Go down there. It's a heart mark, guys. Let's get into it. So what are we seeing right now? We did see that the U.S. markets were very much down, down. Guys, did you know that it looks like Tesla is going to lay off 10% of its global workforce? OMG, not good for Tesla. In terms of governmental announcements right now, nothing much is happening out there. DXY is pumping up like crazy. OMG. Did you know that the Japanese yen is at its lowest point in the history of its currency? Not good at all, guys. Just in, looks like currency crisis brewing in Japan as the yen continues to make new lows significant. The dollar not seen in 34 years, guys. So if you're in Japan, your currency ain't worth crapalulu out there. So let's take a look at the total crypto market cap right now. Total crypto market cap is down 2.27. This is bad. What a complete shit show out there for crypto. I know a lot of you were probably expecting a lot more as we are only 4 days away from the halving, but overall, it's not too bad. If we take a look at the last 30 days, we're only down less than 9.5%. So it's not that bad, even though we've had this is like the third or fourth day, depending on your time zone, of crypto being down. It's not that bad, guys. We're seeing that Ethereum is getting hammered as well in the last 7 days. BNB is down. Look at Solana, 23%, 24% on the 30-day, 8% today. Wow. This is not good. Solana is like tanking out there. XRP is down. Toncoin, which passed Dogecoin, which is not good, but still up 87%. Now, interestingly, Dogecoin is still up in the last 30 days, up 12.31%, which is a lot better than other cryptocurrencies. You can see right there. In 7 days, Doge down 21.19%. Ooh, MG. Now, I did buy at the low of 15.5, so I'm actually in the money right now. Doge is seeing some positivity on the 24 hours, but it's only slightly. Cardano, I don't know what the heck is going on with Cardano. Yeah, I'm holding a big bag. Yeah, I'm kind of underwater. I've been holding a big bag from the last cycle. I'm down 31%. I don't know what's going on. If this continues, I may just sell at a loss, lick my wounds, and move it into Dogecoin. Yeah, that's what I might do. But I'm just seeing what happens. Shiba is down, Avalanche is down, all the layer 2s are down. Yeah, not looking good overall for crypto. If you take a look at the heat map, yeah, much the same. Everything is like poo-poo schmata out there. Yeah, bubbles, same kind of story out there. Fear and greed, we have jumped down huge from where we were yesterday. We're seeing the sentiment right now for Bitcoin is in the toilet out there. Meme coin market cap is, let me give this a minute refresh. Out there. It's down to $48 billion, and we're still seeing that Dogecoin is number one by market cap, and Shiba Inu, and then WIF, then the Pepster, and then the float out there. Dogecoin right now is just dropped. It's down to 15.9 out there. Yeah, it's not looking good on the 7-day chart. Not good. The monthly chart, positive on the monthly. On the yearly chart, positive. Of course, remember that the 22nd of February, we were at 8 cents, guys. So yeah, we've kind of doubled, right? We've kind of 1x from there. So not too shabby, shabbalicious. Let's take a look at technicals. Bitcoin right now has fallen between my support line. That is not good. We need to get ourselves above that, else Bitcoin could fall down to $60,000. So it's at 63 and some change right now. Not looking good for Bitcoin. Same kind of situation for Ethereum, but Ethereum is holding my pattern a little bit nicer than Bitcoin right now. The Dogecoin right now, I still think we're in this bull flag area here. Let me just take this and pivot this out there. Let me clean this up. I still think, from my perspective, if we can stay inside this pennant formation here, then we have a chance to break out. That's what I'm thinking. I still think that we're seeing a bull flag is still intact out there. It looks like we're heading into a golden cross, according to Yomi. Update on Dogecoin pending weekly cross. So on the weekly time frame, looks like we have a golden cross. We are still multiple weeks of upward price action away from achieving this bull market milestone. We have now 2 weeks in the red. So I think this is going to push Bitcoin and Dogecoin to be green soon. So I think we're going to turn green because 2 weeks in the red. I think we're going to have 1 week where we have to be green, guys. It's just the law of probabilities out there. Let's take a look at what's going on with Shiba Inu right now. Shiba Inu is showing a little bit of green. It's still respecting my trend line. I haven't adjusted this, so this is kind of the trend I see. I see us getting ourselves back up to pre-dump area of around about 28 soon. That's what I'm thinking. This is bad, guys. Looks like breaking. Elon Musk says X will soon begin charging a small fee for new users to reply or engage with the post after many attempts. Elon Musk believes this is the only way to curb the relentless onslaught of bots. Should X charge users to make and use an account? What do you guys think out there? Interesting. I mean, I agree that we need to reduce the amount of bots and scammers on X. I just think they need to KYC and have some kind of verification process. That's what I'm thinking. If you're a new account, maybe you have, for the first 15 or 30 days, you have to pay a fee, small fee. And if there's any, weird activity, then you get banned. I think, but Elon Musk, we need to stop the bots, guys. And the trolls, the trolley trolls. Guys, 4 days left for the biggest event for Bitcoin and crypto. That's the halving, guys. It's absolutely the halving is coming. And look at the block rewards, guys. The block rewards, they go down half every time. So this is the sixth epoch right now. And it looks like that the rewards for miners is going to be 1.5625 Bitcoin. So that means that the miners are going to make less. But remember, the miners make money on the mining and also on the fees from sending and receiving Bitcoin. So yeah, they're going to earn less, but there's still lots to be out there, guys. If you take a look at the ETFs, another reason that we're seeing Bitcoin going down is that we're seeing that the total Bitcoin outflow is about $2.8 billion of outflow. So that is not good, guys. Most of it is coming from GBTC, 1.2 billion. The others coming from Bitwise, 115. iBit BlackRock is 733. And then the other big one is the Fidelity also out there. So that's another reason that we're having some negativity because we're seeing outflows, we're seeing halving, we're seeing the crisis in Israel and Iran, just a lot of, geopolitical stuff. Plus, we're having the market makers taking advantage of that, and we're having leverage traders who think that they can outguess the market and outguess their market makers. Idiots. Stop it. Looks like an analyst predicts that $650,000 Bitcoin could happen price once ETF investors fully deploy asset management recommendations. So this article kind of talks about that. One analyst is saying, look, the new Bitcoin ETF bring price targets of 91K at the bear market bottom and 650K at the bull market top. And he's kind of talking about, once that, investors and analysts realize the strength and power of Bitcoin spot ETFs, that there's going to be more money flowing into the market like crazy. And don't forget, Hong Kong just approved its Bitcoin and Ethereum spot ETF. So that's going to bring more liquidity out there. So we're going to be talking about that as well in a second. So right now we're seeing that the quarterly returns for Bitcoin and Ethereum are still negative. Down 11%, but if you take a look at in hindsight, we're still up for the year. Same goes for Ethereum. But Q2 so far is turning out to be a really stinker of a month out there. This is coming in from Titan of Crypto. Bitcoin is taking a breath before the takeoff. So each time the Williams R indicator right here touches the dotted line, and it did for the first time in this cycle, it was followed by an impulse move to the upside. I think he's right. I think in this cycle, patience is key. Let's wait till after the halving. Let's be patient, and probably 1 to 2 weeks after the halving, crypto should stabilize and things should start to move up. That's what I'm thinking. Looks like Trust Wallet warns that Apple iOS users of iMessage vulnerability. So guys, be careful. They're suggesting that the best thing to do is turn off iMessage until this vulnerability is patched. And what that means is it's kind of like a 0-day exploit, and it allows hackers to get into your iPhone and get into your Trust Wallet and drain all of your coinage. So be careful out there, guys. And if you see any weird messages, guys, don't apply to the links. And that's my rule. If I receive any email or any message on X or anywhere, and it's got a HTML link or something, I never click on it. I don't care. Even if I know the person, I don't click on it. So if you guys sending me any kind of message, either on Telegram, X, email, whatever, and there's a link, I ain't gonna freaking click on it. I'm gonna do that. And if you wanna send a picture or a document, just send a screenshot. I'm not going to sign, click on the links. I'm advising you all to do that. And remember, use a VPN as well, particularly if you're in a coffee shop using public Wi-Fi. Turn on your VPN, because a would-be hacker can be sitting next door to you in Starbucks and they can take control of your shit. Okay, so watch out for that. Yeah, these two idiots are going to start World War III, but crypto and Dogecoin will continue. Trust me, they will. When these idiots start the fire and things start to go down and dollars and currency is worth nothing, crypto will still be there out there. And yeah, it looks like this boy is taking a big dump on where. Guys, good news is 85% of all the Doge warriors, let me get this video fresh. I should be about 83 now if my calculations are right. Let's see. Let's get, yep, 82.4% of all Dogecoin holders are in the money. So that's good news, right, guys? Now let's listen to this. I think this is interesting. Let me turn up the volume. This is basically new huge Bitcoin ETF billboard in Hong Kong. Hong Kong just approved Bitcoin ETFs. I think this is amazing, guys.
If you're asking about Bitcoin ETFs in Hong Kong, well, check this out. There's a giant Bitcoin ad right now talking about the ETF that's imminent in Hong Kong. There's definitely a lot of attention going on here, because at the end of the day, when these ETFs launch, they need people to buy, right? So more and more ads, more and more attention, and Hong Kong's trying to push itself to be the center of Web3. So in this financial hub with so many people, we're going to see more of this.
Good news, positive news out there, Web3, and yeah, crypto's coming to China. So the Chinese ETFs are approved. Why is this big? Well, China has had horrible results with real estate, the Evergrande. They love buying gold, a safe investment to hedge against inflation. They are also aggressive investors that take more risk than the West. So Bitcoin FOMO is imminent from China out there, guys. Guys, quick warning to the wise: if you have your crypto on a centralized exchange, get it the freak off there. Go down and check out my NANO Leger link. It doesn't cost you more. Let's get it, guys. And just want to say, God bless everybody, guys, and much appreciated. Go down there and follow me on my Twitter. Let's see how many people we got on my tweets. Follow me. Right now we've got 14,143. So let's get this up to $20,000, guys. Also, go and watch this. It's funny. Big SHIT show. Dogecoin and Bitcoin down. What the heck? What the freak, guys? So go and freaking take a look at that, guys. Go to my Twitter. I appreciate it. Be blessed. Be well. I'll see you all in the freaking next one, guys. It's a great time to be alive. Peace out, guys. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out. I love it. You love it. Let's get it, guys. Woo!